How to add frame around photo in PicsArt. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your PicsArt and then tap on the plus icon on the bottom where it says edit an image or video, and then choose an image from your gallery. Open it up. And then now you can see various icons on the bottom. Swipe to the left. And at the very end, you'll see frame option. Tap on it. And here you'll find various frames. The frames are premium, so you'll need to access it with the pro feature. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.